Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
This program is brought to you by EO Executive Optical, The Generics Pharmacy, Wings Total Care.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. For this day, we're gonna guide you how or what is the procedure in the food and beverages to the guests. Where the guests for today, let's welcome the professionals of the ceremony. Let's welcome Dave, Andre, Roma, Fabian, and lastly, Miss Daniela. Let's give them a round of applause. Great to hear. Let's clap him on how difficult it is to take responsibilities that every guest in your hotel needs their necessities.
Hininga mo yun, B. Hininga mo yun.
So the girl is not there. Who knows the so here's how we're gonna go. I'm gonna pay. Who is gonna answer the procedures that is there? How is those? Okay, what's your question? Over the guest, fill the water goblet. Over a food. Over a coffee or tea. 7 and 8. Diba? Asking for the time of the washing of the dishes. Now, procedure 9 and 10, Miss Jane. Yes, what's you?
Return on the expected time of your table.
And last the procedure, Mr. Sadro. Thank you and be goodbye. Nice game, guys. You got it all right. You guys proved that you are a real professional who can handle it. You guys handle your house. Let us give them a round of applause.